Thanks, Bailey. And today's episode of the day is you and I. And thanks to Chip and Susan. Thanks to Chip and Susan. And thanks to Riley, Charlie, Rufford for the good friend, Holly, the brown heptagon. And we learned 3 new things. What by Iguana, endangered and extinct. What by and thanks to our guests, Tom, the saber-toothed tiger, and Rachel, the rhinoceros iguana. Oh, my love. Yeah. We heard that Rachel is your true love. Yeah, never mind that. Until next time, keep on seeing the world through the eyes of animals. Okay, my love, let's have some cake. Goodbye.